Rabbit Lake is Canada's longest operating uranium production site. Located in Saskatchewan's Athabasca Basin, Rabbit Lake has been producing uranium since 1975. Today, the uranium ore mined at Rabbit Lake comes from EaglePoint, an underground mine located on the Harrison Peninsula beside Wollaston Lake. The EaglePoint mine has produced uranium since 1994. Cameco has been very successful in discovering new ore zones at EaglePoint, which has extended the life of the mine until at least 2015. Safely managing water in underground mines is a normal part of mining operations in the Athabasca Basin. As groundwater enters the mine, it's pumped to the surface, treated, and then released to the environment. When new ore zones are developed at EaglePoint, more groundwater will seep into the mine. To manage this additional water, Cameco needs to upgrade the water management system at EaglePoint. The new system will assure continued safe operation of the mine and reduce impact on the environment. Currently, water pumped out of the mine is temporarily stored in a pond to allow solid materials to settle out of the water. The mine water is then pumped through a pipeline to the Rabbit Lake Mill, located 16 kilometers away. At the mill, the mine water is treated using a chemical water treatment system to remove contaminants. When the treated water meets all regulated standards, it's released to the environment at Horseshoe Creek, which flows into Wollaston Lake. With the new water management plan, a different type of water treatment will be used at EaglePoint. Mine water will be stored temporarily in a new settling pond. Next, it'll be pumped to a new water treatment plant. The plant will use a chemical-free method to treat mine water known as reverse osmosis. This proven technology uses special filters to clean the water and make it safe for the environment. Most of this treated water will meet all water quality standards and be ready to be released into the environment. A small portion of this water will not pass through the filters and will require further treatment at the mill. All water leaving the reverse osmosis plant will be tested for quality. Whenever possible, treated water from the reverse osmosis plant will be reused as part of the mining process at EaglePoint. Treated water not used in the mine will be tested for quality before being released to Wollaston Lake at Collins Bay. The small amount of water from the reverse osmosis plant that cannot be released to the environment will be sent to the Rabbit Lake Mill, as before, for conventional water treatment. This project will improve the overall environmental performance of Rabbit Lake's water treatment system. The amount of water treated at the Rabbit Lake Mill from EaglePoint could be reduced by up to 80%. Before the project can begin, Cameco will conduct an environmental assessment. Currently, water bodies and the environment around the Rabbit Lake site, including Wollaston Lake, are carefully monitored. As part of the environmental assessment, the new water management system will be studied to see how it could affect the surrounding environment, as well as people and communities in the Athabasca Basin. Once the project is completed, environmental monitoring will continue to ensure that people and the environment remain protected. The EaglePoint Water Management Project will allow the Rabbit Lake operation to continue to safely mine uranium ore at EaglePoint, and it'll ensure that the environment and people of the Athabasca Basin remain protected.